Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And let's travel to our discovery country, which is Austria. Oh my god, I'm so excited with this one because Eurovision 2025 is upcoming, and I know a lot of different countries that part of the Eurovision Song Contest 2025 are searching for the best to represent in their country. And Austria, we discovered this amazing guy. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is the performance of JJ Wasted Love Austria official music video for the Eurovision 2025. Oh my goodness. And credit also with the owner of the video, guys, to Eurovision Song Contest. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to do some few cuts of this video reaction. And let's get to know first with this JJ. I'm so really excited. JJ, or Johannes Peach, born in Peach, if I pronounce it right, born 29 April of 2001. Oh, very young. Also known by his stage name JJ, is an Austrian singer-songwriter. He is set to represent Austria in the Eurovision Song Contest 2025 with the song Wasted Love that we have to make some reaction for today. See, his genre is pop and opera. Oh, wow. I love both of this type of genre. She's amazing. An occupation, he's a singer and songwriter to 2020 until present. Peach was born in Vienna to an Austrian IT specialist and a Filipino cook. Oh my God! Shout out! Hey, mabuhay! Oh my God, he's a half Austrian and half Filipino, and grew up in Dubai. In 2016, the family returned to Austria. In 2020, he took part in the ninth series of The Voice UK after missing the deadline for The Voice of Germany. The following year, he took part in the fifth season of Starmania, where he made it to the first final show. Wow! He also attends the Music Arts and University of the City of Vienna after visiting the opera. He's so amazing, and I'm so glad and happy that he's half Filipino. My goodness, I think this guy is very amazing also. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Enjoy with this one because my heart is full now that JJ, I hope you will did well of this Eurovision. You really have enough time to practice and to do more, like some tricks that people don't know yet. Let's get to it. Enjoy.
You're a superhero.
JJ, Wasted Love. Oh goodness! Oh my God! I had goosebumps. My hair just standing up. Really, the introduction of the few lines, that the control, and then I think the raspiness of the voice, like there is something so high, but it's clear and it's very nice to listen. It's very beautiful. Wow. JJ, wow, this is amazing. I love it. I love the setting of the place of this music video. It's giving you like vibes with the title itself, Wasted Love, because it's something dark and like crazy. Wow, this is love, and this is like goodness, love it. God, my God, I'm drowning, and then how can you not see it? The the song lyrics is something so dark, and it's like a sadness of it that you can really feel. And his tone, it's so amazing also that It's like his, what do you call this one? Head tone, or the tonality and vocal range that he has is very incredible, that you enjoyed listening, and I love it. And even his like accent, I love his accent also, even he's half Filipino, but I think he was educated somewhere in Dubai in English schools. This guys, I hope that he will be one of the strongest contender this coming Eurovision, because there are a lot of video reaction of mine, guys, that I discovered the representation for this year's Eurovision. I'll put all the links up in here so that you can watch also my previous reactions to different country. Those representative are very very amazing also, and I wish that JJ also will have the huge chance. But I think Austria choose him because he has this amazing talent. And yeah, I love the tonality of his voice. Oh my goodness. This operatic tone is giving that so high, and it's so dramatic, and it's so like the emotions, the passion and compassion that he showed in this performance, and that's really incredible. And this is such a perfection performance that you can truly feel in his emotions, the way how he did it. Goodness gracious, he is so fantastic. Wow, I love it. I love it so much. Whew, I can feel it. Oh my god, the sadness of the song. It's heartbreaking.
When you let me go,
Ah,
I barely stayed afloat. I'm floating all alone. Still I'm holding
good.
on to hope. It's worse than love. It's worse
Good. I really like it. Sorry guys to cut it off, because I was so amazed the tone that is giving, that everything was in a high pitch but in an opera tone. That's, goodness gracious, it's so different and it's so unique. This guy that is giving this performance. That's why I think the jury from the Austria find him as a good representation this coming Eurovision, because of his talent, of his uniqueness, of his like the vulnerability of him to perform in this huge stage in Eurovision, because Eurovision is very famous, every year happens. And yeah, Philippines also was enjoying watching with it, and a lot of reactors making some reaction of this, of the performances of this amazing artists from different part of the Eurovision finalists. And yeah, I enjoyed it so much. This is amazing, and this is so phenomenal performance of him. I like this music video. Good. Goodness, the beat, as it changes, it really like, oh my god, this is so dramatic, and this is nothing that I heard something like this before. And yeah, I was so impressed the way how they make this music video. Kudos to the team who make this amazing, like, even just, this is just like almost 3 minutes, but I was having fun. I enjoyed. I connected with the song that he's portraying in this music video. And that's amazing. And that's phenomenal. Goodness, brilliant. Oh my God, that's incredibly beautiful and amazing. Yeah, wasted night. Sometimes you are in a place that you are being wasted because something happened in your life that you really have to be alone to do something that's crazy because of things happen, and that's life that you really have. It's you controlling your life. That's really happens, not just like to someone else but to everybody, that there is something darkest in your life that you really have to be wasted, and that's okay. And this song is a representation of good, that life is something have to do, that things have to ponder and everything. And JJ performed it so well and so genius and brilliant. Wow. Goodness, I was so happy making it. I feel it so much, and I hope guys you feel it too because I enjoyed it so much, and I wish that he has like a huge chance of winning the Eurovision 2025 because of the uniqueness that he has. If you enjoy this, guys, watching my video reaction, and if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Eurovision representative or any Austrian artist that you want me, or any JJ performances, put in the comment section. I love to read and respond with you all. And if please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. I would be happy if you connected with me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day, everyone. God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye, guys.